What's up, y'all? It's Every Penny Counts, and it's new Money Maker Mondays, and I had this new app for y'all. It's called the Make Money app. You see here at the top of my balance, I have 692 points. So I'm gonna go through briefly and show you what you can do in order to get points in this app. It's easy to do. I mean, really, it's just downloading, different apps or going through different offers that are free. Let me show you the first thing you want to do. As soon as you get the app, you want to do this check-in daily. All right, so when the check-in daily, you get 20 points for doing that. I've already done it. That's why my countdown is going down. But every single day, 20 points just all top. You just click on it, and the ad will play for about 15 seconds. You exit out the ad, you go back to the app, and you'll get 20 points credited to you just off top. Now you see here on this top offer of the day, that's what most of the people are doing for this day. It's a free Bitcoin app. All you gotta do is download and start using. You get 150 points for doing that. All right, so that's easy points right there. Right, but just between these two right here, you already got 170. You know what I'm saying? So always pay attention to the top offer of the day because it's usually something easy because that's why most people are doing it. And a popular offer is the same thing. And you just go through and kind of find what's easy in here. Something like this. This S'mores Earn Cash Rewards. All you got to do is install, open, and register. 393 points. And even though it might be something that you don't want, as soon as you get credited for it, you can delete it. I mean, you can delete your account and all that stuff because you got the points. And that was the main reason you did it. So you just kind of pay attention to the popular offers. These are what people are doing around the world and you get credited for it. You see here this Arcadia Power. That's basically you just signing up for an account for like a power company or whatever. You see here you get 11,200 points for that. You know what I'm saying? You can actually, really go get a lot of points just in the popular offers alone. They have more if you click on more tasks. Different offer walls like Fantastic Offer Wall. Lots of different offers you just go through. A lot of these are games and it's asking you to reach like a certain level. Like this one right here, it's BP. All you gotta do is download it and start it. You get 106 points. You know what I'm saying? So easy to do. Like I said, games like this, like reach level 21, you get 806 points. And I know, like when you say level 21, that might seem like it'll take forever, but it really doesn't. You know what I'm saying? Because these are little kid games, so level 21 probably take you like 10 minutes. And they have other different offer walls that you can look at. Like they're all pretty much the same thing, just different offers that you can do that are all completely free. Just find out what works for you and go crazy with this app. You can also watch videos. Just click on the video tab, an ad will play of about 15 seconds, and then you get credited 2 points for every video that you watch. And you can watch pretty much an unlimited amount of that. Let me show you the payouts real quick. For 5,000 credits, you get $5, 10,000, $10, 20,000, $20, and 50,000, $50. So I mean, you saw the amount of offers, the amount of points that these offers were giving you for doing it. So I mean, it's definitely something that you could take advantage of. Really grind out on this app. It's not difficult to use. All you're doing just watching videos, doing different offers, and making sure you check in every day to get paid. All right, so I'm gonna keep this video fairly short because I think it's fairly simple to use. Just doing these offers, click on more tasks, going through these offer walls, watching videos, things like that. And like I said, the link to this app will be in the description. You click on the code, you'll get 200 points in your account immediately. All right, so get started with that. Use the code, and always remember, every penny counts.